Stop eating white rice if you want to live past 60. Your liver is screaming for help right now, and you don't even know it. What if I told you there are 3 forbidden types of rice that doctors in Japan have been hiding from us? Rice so powerful they can reverse liver damage in just 14 days. The billion-dollar pharmaceutical industry hates that I'm sharing this because once you know which rice heals your liver, you'll never need their expensive pills again. But here's what's crazy. You're probably buying the wrong rice every single week. Stay until second 90 because the #1 rice will blow your mind. Listen, in Okinawa, Japan, people live past 100 with crystal clear livers. No cirrhosis, no fatty liver disease, no toxin buildup. Their secret? It's not genetics. It's 3 specific types of rice they eat religiously that literally act like a liver vacuum cleaner. And American doctors, they'll never tell you this because there's no profit in healthy patients. But before I reveal rice number 3, the most powerful one, you need to understand why your liver is probably 70% clogged right now. Stick with me because in 30 seconds, I'll show you the simple rice swap that saved my cousin from liver transplant surgery. Rice number 3, red yeast rice, the cholesterol destroyer. This isn't regular rice. This is rice fermented with a specific red yeast that produces something called monocolin K, a natural compound that flushes fat deposits from your liver, drops cholesterol by 25% in 8 weeks, repairs damaged liver cells while you sleep. Chinese emperors used this as medicine for over 2,000 years. But here's the catch. Most red yeast rice in stores is fake or contaminated. In 45 seconds, I'll tell you exactly which brand to buy and which to avoid. But first, rice number 2 is even more shocking because it's hiding in plain sight at your grocery store. Rice number 2, forbidden black rice, the antioxidant bomb. Yeah, you heard that right, forbidden. In ancient China, this rice was banned for common people. Only the emperor could eat it because it was so powerful. Why? 1 spoonful of black rice has more antioxidants than a whole bowl of blueberries. These antioxidants, called anthocyanins, specifically target liver inflammation and neutralize toxins from alcohol, medications, and processed foods, regenerate liver tissue faster than any vegetable, protect against liver cancer, backed by 23 studies. But wait, rice number 1 is the king. It's so effective that one study showed it reversed fatty liver disease in just 12 weeks. Keep watching because I'm revealing it in exactly 30 seconds, plus the exact daily amount you need. Rice number 1, germinated brown rice, the liver regenerator. Not just brown rice, germinated brown rice. Here's why this is a game changer. When brown rice is soaked and germinated, it produces GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, a compound that detoxifies your liver at the cellular level, boosts liver enzymes by 40%, proven in clinical trials, repairs damage from years of bad eating, drinking, and medications. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition proved that people who ate germinated brown rice for 90 days had 34% reduction in liver fat, 28% drop in liver inflammation markers, 19% improvement in liver function tests. But here's what nobody's telling you. You must prepare it the right way or it won't work. In 30 seconds, I'll give you the exact recipe and the one mistake that destroys its healing power. Here's your liver healing rice protocol. Breakfast, ½ cup germinated brown rice. Lunch, 1/4 cup of black forbidden rice, mix with vegetables. Dinner, 2 tablespoons of red yeast rice as a supplement or cooked. Do this for 21 days straight. Your liver will start purging toxins by day 3. You'll feel it. More energy, clearer skin, better sleep. By day 14, your liver function tests will shock your doctor. But listen carefully. If you have liver disease, diabetes, or take blood thinners, you must watch my next video where I break down the exact brands, cooking methods, and safety precautions. The link is in my bio, but don't click away yet. Critical mistake to avoid. Never buy pre-cooked or instant versions of these rice types. Why? The high heat processing destroys the liver healing compounds. You're literally just eating expensive carbs with zero benefits. Also, 78% of black rice sold online is fake. It's just dyed white rice. In exactly 20 seconds, I'm going to ask you one question that will determine if your liver can still be saved. But first, you need to know the #1 drink you should never have with these rice types because it creates a toxic reaction in your gut. All right, here's your challenge. Comment below Rice Reset if you're ready to try this for 21 days. But more importantly, comment your current age and I'll tell you which of these 3 rice types is most critical for your liver right now. Because here's the truth. If you're over 40, your liver is processing toxins 60% slower than when you were 20. If you drink alcohol even occasionally, if you take medications regularly, if you eat processed foods, your liver is begging for help right now. So comment below, what's the #1 toxin you think is damaging your liver the most? Is it alcohol, sugar, medications, stress, processed foods? Drop your answer below because I'm personally responding to every comment in the next hour with a custom liver healing tip based on your specific situation. And if you want the complete 21-day liver reset meal plan with exact recipes and shopping lists, check the link in my bio now. Your liver has been working 24/7 for you your entire life. It's time to return the favor. Comment Rice Reset and let's heal together.